Hi, this is Jimit Shah and welcome to the Jim's Automation. So today we will understand how you can set the IP address of your laptop. Please note, in our previous class we have understood how you can set the IP address of your PLC. We have set the IP address as 10.10.10.66. Now if you want to communicate this PLC and laptop with the help of Ethernet cable, then you should have a same range IP address in your laptop as well. Okay, please note that this is a rule of the IP address, that your range must be same. That means, what does it means? It means that if your PLC is 10.10.10.66, your laptop must be having the first three digit must be having the same digits. If it is 10, this is 10. If it is 10, this is 10. If it is 10, this is 10. And here in the last digit you can select anything between from 0 to 255, right? So you can select anything between 0 to 255 here in the replace of XX. So as of now it is 66, so I can set 65, whatever it is. Why? Because it is 0 to 55 in between. Please note, this is very important, this first three digit must be same. Okay, this first three digit must be same, or else your IP address will not get ping. If this is suppose 101, if suppose this is 101, okay, just a minute. If this is suppose 101.10.10.66, okay, if this is the IP address of my PLC, then you can set the IP address of your laptop as 101.10.10.65. So this first three digit must be same. So now let's understand how you can address, how you can change the laptop IP address, right? So you must be aware, but if you don't know, then what you can go, simply go to start and then go to control panel. Okay, you can go to the control panel over here. This is the control panel, and here in the network, go to in network and internet, and then network and sharing center. Okay, so if you see the left side, okay, this is the change adapter setting. Now if you see, there are multiple Ethernet ports connected over here. So whatever the Ethernet port is connected for you, you can simply double click on it and then go to this IP, Internet Protocol version 64. Okay, so double click on this. Now you must be having like this. Okay, if you do this, that means this is, see, if you select these two options, that means your IP address is set as a DHCP. That means your IP address will be taken automatically with the help of this routing conditions. This is a DHCP condition. Okay, but we want to assign one particular IP, so that is called a static IP. Okay, that we want a static IP in my laptop and in a PLC, that must be in the same series. So what I'll do, I'll simply open the control panel, and here I'll write myself, instead of allowing laptop. Here I'm selecting this and I'll write 10.10.10.66 my laptop 66 my PLC IP address, so 10.10.10.65 is my laptop IP address. Okay, subnet mask will always come as 255.255.255.0. That's it, right? Okay, if you want to add multiple IP address, multiple series, then you can go to advanced. Then see, as of 10.10.10.10.65 is already there, and then you can go to add, and you can add the multiple IP address range over here. As of now we want just one range, which is 10.10.10.65. so simply click on OK. That's it. So this is 10.10.10.65. simply click on OK and simply click on here OK. So this laptop is now having the IP address called 10.10.10.65. So right, so now this three digits are same, these three digits are same. So in next video we will understand how you can get the ping command, and how you can communicate your PLC and laptop with the help of Ethernet cable. All right, so that's it for this class. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class. Thank you.